kind of have it more out here.
Okay.
Okay. If you brought it in closer. Okay.
Oh, okay. I see what you're saying. Like.
Yeah. So like when you're going to aim, instead of having to bring your head like that, you're just kind of bringing your head down. So like if I'm out here, like in the pocket out here, okay, I got to do this. Okay. If I'm closer, like if I'm on my clavicle, kind of right under myself, I just have to go like that.
That makes sense. Oh, can I have the timer?
Yep.
Shooter, ready?
Ready?
Stand by. $414.
Okay.
That's how you flip it around too. That's pretty good.